Hey everyone, JJ Cagle here. Today I'm going to show you how you can use widget stacks in iOS 14. If you don't know how to add widgets to your home screen, then go ahead and check out my video in the top right corner. If you do, then you are ready to learn how to do widget stacks. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hold down and on any app and hit edit home screen. And then we're going to go ahead and add another widget. I think I am going to add, I'm going to add this clock widget. So I'm going to touch on it, hold it, go ahead and tap on that, and then select the size you want. And then once you've picked your size, go ahead and grab it, and you can drag it around, and you can actually drop it on another widget, like so, and that will create a widget stack, which you can then swipe between. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Please subscribe.